All four channels have been programmed successfully. Hello everyone, this is VU3CQM. This is the second part of my DIY software programming cable. Let's see how to connect our handheld radio to the previously built cable. To program our radio, we need Chirp software. Let's begin with download and installation. Head to Google and search for Chirp software. Scroll down to see the list of supported radios. We will be using Bofin UV5R. Let's scroll up and download the software for Windows. Click on Windows Installer. Save the setup to a folder. Open the installer and follow the instructions. After installation, type Chirp in Windows Search. We don't need the error reporting now, so just click OK. Our software is ready for programming. Now let's prepare the radio. I am resetting all the settings. Turn off radio and connect the programmer. Make sure to remove the antenna. I am using CP2102 USB to TTL module. Switch on the radio and increase the volume to 100%. Now head back to computer and search for device manager. Look out for the programmer's COM port. In my case it is COM port 4. Yours might be different. In Chirp software, click radio to bring down the drop-down menu. Then select download from radio. It is highly recommended to read the original image from the radio and make a backup of it before writing it to the radio. Select the correct COM port, radio make and the model. Click OK and the instruction window will appear. We have already prepared our radio. Click OK. As you can see, radio's image is getting cloned. Let's first back up the image. There are a list of predefined frequencies in stock config. I have 4 stations to be programmed. Double-click to edit the field. In frequency column, enter receiving frequency, and in offset column, enter the transmitting offset. Negative shift in duplex column indicates that the offset shift will be negative. Let us take an example. First channel will be received on 145.275, and when PTT is pressed, negative shift of 600 kHz occurs and the transmission will be on 144.675. Power can be set either high or low. Enter remaining frequencies. Let's now change few settings. We can display channel number, frequency, or frequency name on the display. We can also add call sign and name. Leave the other settings to their defaults. It is time to upload the edited file. The newly edited image will be uploaded to radio. We need to change the language to English. All 4 channels have been programmed successfully. Thanks for watching. This is VU3CQM signing off 73.